Welcome back to another Boostly podcast episode. For those of you that have been tuning in regularly, you will know that I am doing a Boostly tune-up series, and we launched a giveaway via Kingsumo for In on the Y. And just a little couple of update. We're a couple of days in, and I just wanted to share with you some good news. So we have got 19 people that have entered. There's been over 113 entries. That's 113 shares and pushes and promotions, etc., which is awesome. Very, very happy with how it is going. 19 new email addresses. And again, if each of those email addresses was got a return of investment of say £1,000 worth of bookings, which is very attainable, then that's 19,000 extra in direct booking revenue over the course of the next couple of weeks, months, years, which is fantastic. So as I said, a couple of days in, what I would do is I would pop back into here and add in a let me just get rid of it. What we're going to do is we're going to add in a couple of extra ways to win. So if all I'm going to do is I'm going to click on here, and I'm going to now pump up the interest on the actual business itself. So I'm going to click on here and click on link, and it's going to be visit our website. I'm going to put that action in there, and I want it to be a bit stand out, so we're going to go for 5. I'm going to get rid of our daily entries 1. Visit our site, and we're going to put it up to 5 in here. So basically what we've now done, we've added in another extra way to be more visible. And again, on the Instagram account itself, so if I come into In on the Y, we now have a post on the actual Instagram where we're talking about the giveaway, which is great. So what we want to do is we're going to turn that into a post, and we're going to get it linked up into here as well. So now that we've added in those extra actions, and now that we've posted it in there, what we're going to do is we're going to email out to the list, the 19 people, and we're just going to say, hey everybody, so hello, welcome to our email list. And we're going to start to introduce ourselves, introduce the business, but also let people know that there's an extra ways that they can win. So it consistently brings them back into the giveaway. And that is a big part of having a successful giveaway, is to be able to keep bringing people back. And once they come back, as you can see here, it'll tell them, listen, follow us on Instagram, like and comment, visit our site. And it just gets people to keep on winning, because once they've invested their time into it, they want to keep on coming back and coming back and coming back and having more chances to win. So a little update today. Like I say, I'll give you a full update once we complete this. We're still posting in Facebook groups, posting on social media, sharing the word, spreading the word about what we're doing. And by posting in these different Facebook groups, we're being put in front of new potential customers, clients, locals that are now spreading the word. So it's really effective, really interesting. And again, I'm looking forward to sharing some final results. Let's see if we can get a goal of getting this to maybe 30 people enter or 50 people enter before the end of the giveaway. Okay, I'll be back in a couple of days' time. Well, obviously I'll be back tomorrow with another episode of Boostly Podcast. Until then, thanks for watching.
Having a blast, gonna get it on the Boostly Podcast. Boostly like Bruce Lee, cause it's so hard and the T is loose leaf. Making up those rhymes, don't write it, just do it loosely.